So this is a certificate of independent financial advice that usually I would say, I actually don't think I've ever seen any SMSF loan in the last probably 5 years that has not required this certificate. What the lenders want to do is make sure that you've actually sought professional advice in relation to your SMSF, that you fully understand what limited recourse borrowing is, what it means for your SMSF, what it means for making payments, and that you basically understand that contributions will be needed, and that you understand all of those consequences. Now, this is just a sanitized version. Doesn't matter what bank it is here, it will be whatever bank it is. So basically, you have a meeting with the accountant or financial advisor. And what's really important is the person needs to sign they're an accountant or financial advisor, and that they hold all the required licenses and qualifications to provide advice in relation to the LRBA. The issue here is that a lot of accountants are not licensed to be able to provide that advice. So you may have to check with your accountant and see if they're actually able to do that. We would go through the documents and all of that. Now, if you're an accounting client of ours, I am licensed financial provider and have all the licenses in obviously the LRBAs, etc. So if you're an accounting client of ours, it's no issue. I will need to go through it with you if you have not gone through financial advice with us. So I will need to go through those, and we do need to put some work papers together in relation to that. So unfortunately, it's not just a quick signing it off. If you have undertaken financial advice with us, no issue at all, because I've gone through all of that with your financial advice document. And if you're on an ongoing service, I know that nothing has changed in your world with the SMSF. And so I can sign off. If we did one-off financial advice for you and there's been a period of time, I would have to do some additional work. I know that I would have explained it to you at that time, so that's great. And I will just have to do some additional work papers to show the affordability from a cash flow, knowing that you're going to be able to make the payments and how you're going to be able to do that with a cash flow. Now, I know that we do that with the mortgage side. I do have to do the calculations in a slightly different format from an accounting perspective is what we are required to do. And that's the certificate you then confirm, and that's all signed in front of a witness. So that needs to be done as well. And it's also, you're literally going to get 2 or 3 days to get that organised. Okay.